Hi, it's me. I'm doing this little test on an Arduino of the RFID tag, and I've got the sketch up here. It's like it's a standard example. First of all, you have to download the library. Manage libraries. And then you type in the box here. RF. What's it called again? MR. MFRC. (522), and there it comes up. Get this one here, GitHub Community. I've already got it installed, so that's the library you need. And the example, you go to examples, and then you go down here in your examples, and you'll see it come up MFRC 522. And this one, dump info. There's lots of others, but I'm just doing this dump info one at the moment. So that's that. I've already uploaded the sketch. I'm now gonna press reset so that the serial terminal begins again. So you can see I'm pressing reset. Serial terminal comes up, and it tells you that about what version it is. Then you get your RFID card. You place it on here, and it reads all the info off. It takes about 6 seconds. Look at all that data. There's like loads of data on here. It gives you the tag number and all this data, and that's about it. There's also, so you get the card and you get the tag. The tag, basically it does the same thing. Takes about 6 seconds, and you can program these tags with your own ID information. That's about it. I hope that inspires you to have a go on the Arduino. God bless.